It's going to be a quick video of us climbing up Mount Vesuvius. Which is only supposed to be 300
metres from where we got dropped off.
Meters from where we dropped off.
I'm going to look into it. I'm going to nurse them out once a week or once a month or something.
As you can see, the big city down there. And eventually they're going up there. So I'll stop this bit and I'll record a bit when we're a bit further up. Okay, so we've made it to the next checkpoint and out of breath. It's hard going because it's
Steep.
you haven't got much oxygen and it's very steep and we've still got a bit of a way to go. So I'll see you when we get there again. This is part of the side of Mount Vesuvius with all loose stones and everything. And we've still got to go all the way up there. Views. We're down here. You can see nice views. And still all the city over there. So I'll see you later. Okay, so we made it to the top of Mount Vesuvius. Absolutely shattered.
Čekal, že to bude jako rybní klávě nebo co?
Jo, určitě, ale jako člověk si.
No? No. To je zase pan žil všechno na ten popel, který...
No, takový popel.
So, as you can see, they are bloody mad for walking up there. Yeah, in this heat.
Hej, chcete si to obejít?
But this is a volcano, and we can get different angles around there. So I'm going to have a look around there and show you the rest, guys. Okay, we're a bit further around, and a bit more of Mount Vesuvius, as I think I've pronounced it right.
Vesuvius.
Vesuvius. We are now, I think, 1,300 metres high. Here's your view. It's a nice view. All of the town down there. Yeah, that's 300 metres. It was really hard.
You don't go all the way around.
And I reckon it was easy. So I'll show you a bit more further around. Yeah, another quick update. Well, this will be the last update. We're at the top of Mount Vesuvius, a bit further around. Somewhere down in that direction is Pompeii. And Herculaneum is somewhere down that way, over there, which we're going to be going there this afternoon, so I'm going to do videos of all that. But we are at the top. I'm very knackered, but it is really nice up here. It was worth the walk, but you just seem to be struggling for air because you're high up. Apparently this used to be over 3,000 metres high and now it's only 13. So after it erupted, that's how much it exploded. So this is the last video, guys, so thanks for watching it and I will see you all next time.